Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today is 25th March and I'm Aradhana Singh, your examiner for the speaking test. May I know what's your name
My name is Rhythm Arora. I'm from class 9th A.
and what's your name?
My name is Vinamra Vansal. I too are from 9th A.
Okay, so you are Rhythm, candidate 2A from class 9th A and you are Vinamra, candidate 2B from class 9th A. Okay, Rhythm, now tell me something about the place where you live.
I live in Kennedy Avenue. It's a posh area, and it is having a garden, which is where children used to play in the evening, and it's quite peaceful living in that area.
Okay. Okay, Vinamra, tell me something about your best friend.
My best friend, according to me, my best friend is Sanjan. Just because in every situation, in every tough situation, he always stands by me, never leaves me alone. So that's a friend in need is friend indeed. He justifies that statement.
Okay. Rhythm, now you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Vinamra will ask you a question and then I'll ask you some more questions. So would you like to begin?
Yes, ma'am. My topic is fashion, and under this category, I would like to tell my views on the topic fashion among the students. We are living in an age of fashion. Both boys and girls are mad after them. Fashions are usually started by the film stars and is immediately picked up by the common people, especially the young, the youth. They spend a lot of time and money on fashion. But the fashion is not limited to dresses only. Going to coffee shops, clubhouses, parlors is also a part of fashion. At times, loose dresses are a part of fashion, and then they are suddenly replaced by the tight dresses. But boys and girls nowadays are very much particular about fashion, their figure, their dresses, etc., etc. But students should realize the futility of fashions. Of course, at last, fashions add to the man's outward beauty. The real inner beauty of a person lies in noble thinking and high character. So one
Okay, thank you. Okay, Vinamra, can you ask Rhythm a question now,
Yes,
please?
of course. You two are a teenager, Rhythm. What are your views? Do you follow fashion crazily or just?
Well, I am a youngster, so I am a fashionaholic girl. But my belief is that one should follow fashion, but up to that limit, which would not harm its sobriety.
Okay. Would you prefer to follow the latest fashion trends or the trends which were prevalent earlier?
The
And
trend,
why?
the trends which were prevalent earlier, because I like dressing in those sarees, and I think that a person looks very simple, very elegant in those sarees.
So what kind of lifestyle do you prefer? A fashionable one or a simple one?
A fashionable one, but up to a limit, which would not harm my culture, my parents' culture.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Vinamra, now you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Rhythm will ask you a question and then I'll ask you some more questions. So would you like to begin?
Yes, ma'am. Under the topic sports and games, I want to express my views on Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Since 10 years old, I have been watching cricket. I don't play this game too well, but definitely I'm a big fan of cricket. And to me, Sachin Tendulkar is the person whom I admire the most. Not because he's the best batsman in the world, but to me, he's the most complete personality I've ever come across. His ability to stay calm and composed in pressure situations and tricky situations has really impressed me. And besides this, he's a great father. He's a great son and a husband too, because for such a personality, such a famous personality, it's quite difficult to spend time with your family. And even after reaching the heights of success, he speaks in the most humble manner. That's something amazing, and I'm really impressed by this trait. And he's the best in cricket. He's the best in the business when it comes to cricket. And just like him, I want to be the best in whichever profession I choose. I want to opt for non-medical. So just like him, I want to follow his footsteps and pursue my career by becoming the best in it. His retirement came to me.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Rhythm, can you ask Vinamra a question now, please?
Yes, ma'am. Besides Sachin Tendulkar, which sports person do you like the most, or you admire the most, and why?
And this is a tricky question, but according to me, Sania Mirza would be the next after Sachin Tendulkar, because she as a woman, it's quite difficult for women these days to pursue their career in such a sport. and she out of so much tough times has appeared as an example. She has set an example for the rest of the girls to follow.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what will happen if one day suddenly you come across Sachin Tendulkar?
I would say that my dream would come true if I come across this personality, and I often have dreams related to this as well that I come across. But I will definitely try my best that in my life, once I would get an opportunity to meet him.
Okay. So as you've chosen the topic sports and games, so I would like to ask you that why do you think sports and games are important for the students?
For the students' point of view, of course, their importance is decreasing these days, but it freshens your mind. It keeps you healthy. Of course, these are the normal points which should be considered.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's go to the next task. I'm going to give you a card which has information about a problem. I would like to read the card information and then you are to discuss how you are going to solve the problem. So, your problem is, you have observed that students of your class don't take the school assembly seriously. They avoid the assembly by staying away in the classrooms. So, how will you emphasize the importance of school assembly to them? So, I would like you to read it now and then you will discuss for 2 minutes how you are going to solve the problem. Okay, start speaking now.
Assembly is something really important for especially for a student, because when you come to school, you have to refresh yourself, and after going to assembly, you listen to some good thoughts, isn't it, Rhythm?
Yeah, we take the when we come to the school, the first thing we do in our assembly is taking the name of God, the
Yes.
Almighty, and
And I think so. It's really important to start a day, begin the day like this. And of course, this is a problem. So, for solution for this problem is that the students should be made aware.
they must be encouraged. They must be told about the positive effects, positive vibes which comes after listening or after singing.
And I have a belief that whenever you punish something, whenever you try to scold someone and forcefully make him follow something, that's never successful. So by making them aware and by using good way, I think so that we can make aware the people about the importance of assembly, and so that they can enjoy it and attend it every day.
Moreover, we can just tell, or we can just voluntarily choose some students, and we can tell them the importance, and we could tell them to educate their friends, as nowadays the peer pressure is very much common, so they will understand their point of view very
So
easily.
all of these points can be collectively used in order to make the students aware regarding this.
Okay, so do you think the solution that has been provided by you will be effective enough in solving this problem?
To be fair, not to much extent, because the students now these days, we know that they are not going to listen to you. So
It will be a difficult task, but we can do our best, and we will do our best to solve this
of
problem.
course,
to a
the
large
rest leave it. But we have to try our best. We have to give it 100%. The rest leave it to.
Okay, what do you think the problems could be there, the problems that you might come across while solving this problem?
In every school there is a bunch of people, a bunch of students who consider themselves quite smart, quite intelligent. Sometimes they're clever. So
They will
I don't
not-
think so. They will listen to us, but still we will try our
the
best.
best.
Okay, thank you. That's the end of your test.
Okay.